back on Nürburgring prep and Spa. I've got like 2 weekends left. We've already been out, car's been tracked up. As you seen in the last video, little box from Teg. So we're gonna unbox that. Obviously I know what it is. You probably already know what it is from the YouTube title above. So let's unbox it. Let's get on with it. Proper box cutter, you know, safety is paramount. Cutting yourselves on Stanley blades, it's not fun. Oh, Teg, throwing in the sweets. Lovely, just what we like. That'll get us through. Obviously, or Teg bump. We will be doing a little bit more with Teg, hopefully. Water bright. We have quite a lot of stuff already along the nip on. We'll have more packages from Teg on the way. Don't worry, don't you worry about that. So this beautiful little piece should be the mountain bracket we've been waiting for. Now that mountain bracket is for fire extinguisher. Let's have a little look, see. So this is a proper one for the car. And by proper, I mean so it's designed to use seat bolts on the passenger seat. So we have a little bit of bump about it. We won't worry about that right now. Take out protection. Nice, you can see it all building up on the side nicely. And there we have it. Track day ready to go in the car. So we're going to put all this together. Oh, if we don't smash it. We should have had one more thing. TEGIWA. So we'll definitely put this on first, because I am forever losing my Subaru key. And this is just a nice little freebie from Teg. Obviously, ever so helpful as always. The people to go to for stuff like this. We're probably putting another one of these, one of the Evos that's going over with us. But yeah, that's going to be a lot better. So we'll pull the car out, get it set up, try and work out how all this goes on. See you in a second. We'll set you up in the car. So this little bracket is going to sit on here, like this. Maybe you need to go down a little bit more. Yeah, so the bracket's going to sit like that. So we're going to have to do some with a floor mat. Obviously it's proper Spec C, so I don't want to ruin it, but so that goes downwards. Then along here, it looks like you'll have it all go in. So that looks a bit of pain. I'm going to put the bracket on the front piece first. So let's do that here where you can see it and grab the bits we need. Okay, so I'm sort of working out how this goes together. And to be honest, for what it costs, it's a lot of money. It really is a lot of money for some of the stuff. The quality is just not there. It is really disappointing. So you need 2 nuts and bolts, you get 1, and even then the quality of that is not suspect, but I'm changing it for my install, assuming the ones I want to use fit through, which they should. So what we'll do is we'll assemble one side. So it has a little bracket that comes straight. You have to straighten through. So I'm just going to put bolt in washer. I've got a long version of these bolts, so I have to switch out in a minute. These threads on here are a little tight, so they're Allen key. The ones from Teg kit are Allen key, but it's a 1 and they should supply 2, I'd have expected. I don't know if that's just me, but I'd expect a little bit more. I mean, they're a big name, it's not a cheap piece. I mean, for effectively a fire extinguisher, a bent metal bar, is oh, my bolts aren't long enough. It's gonna be annoying. I'm going to switch them out. It's 70 quid. That's a lot. I mean, I know a fire extinguisher is going to save your life, but annoying still. Let me go change out the Film Magic iron back. So the other thing I've just noticed is I'm having to thread these through. They've got a lovely black, I'm going to say it's powder coat finish, like a black finish on them. But I'm using the same bolt size because I'm using one of a nut, well, the only nut from Teg's pack. And yeah, I'm having to force the thread through. Just Teg, if you're watching this, sort it out. We paid a lot of money for this kit. Fire extinguisher was £35. I think the actual kit's £35. It's £70 total with a delivery. But really? Really? So this is the nut I've supplied, which, thank goodness for purposes of this, fits. Just checking. Oh, I do have a ratchet small enough to pull that tight. We'll do it just on the seat, on the spanner. Now, just wind it in. We're not spinning the top, it's washed both sides. And we're getting a few little bits of metal shavings drop out the bottom, so we'll hoover up after this. So before we do that miles tight, this one has a bracket that I'm going to assume, just trying to work out how it sits in, I'm going to assume it sits under here, like so. So that's just to stop the fire extinguisher coming out when it all clips together. It comes as a straight, you have to bend it in. I didn't bend it on the fire extinguisher I'm using. I have one from one of my previous cars that went out of date, but I just keep in the garage because something's better than nothing, to be honest, in the garage. I mean, there is fuel and everything kicking around. But again, I'm just gonna have to, yep, it's gone tight again, so we're gonna have to just work the thread through. I mean, I am only using the small end, it's not a lot. But Teg, come on, sort it out. Threaded that, we'll pull it back out, put a washer in it. So it's assembled properly on the last run. So I may still have to change out these bolts. These look like they're going to rub on the extinguisher. So we'll put the older extinguisher in for now and switch it out once I've sorted out the bolt situation. You can feel it in it, but it's having to pull through threads. So this is a Teg bolt, so this has, it's one of the Loctite size. So it obviously can't go any other way. Sounds like a wind chime with all that rattling. Nope. Just trying to see if we can get it in position to spin. There goes one. I can probably hold it. That's gone tight. Put down, it is just a little proud, so yeah, we'll have to switch these out at some point for something a little bit shallower, a little bit more suitable, but we'll put some proper ones into it. So that's the assembly. So obviously that clicks around, the fire extinguisher sits in into that little collar. So this, I think, is going to be a 14. Yes, it is. So we'll apologies for my arm blocking it. I don't want to scratch the centre console, so I'm going to put my hand behind it. And obviously they're on like spring-loaded nuts. In fact, there's that one. That one's loose enough for by hand. That one is also loose enough for now by hand. But it might have been quicker to keep a ratchet on it. At least we know there is plenty of thread into these. And obviously, snap-on bits, nicely oiled. Gotta be careful what I touch. So I'm gonna put this behind all current equipment that's there. And just wind these in by hand. It reduces any risk of cross-threading them. Obviously there's just a little bit of a wiggle in it. I'll now try and not trash everything. I thought that was going to work. I hope that was going to work, but it doesn't seem to want to. So all I'm doing is just the one that's slightly out of frame, winding that in. Like I said, these have got loads of thread on them. So obviously doing it by hand takes forever. On this one, if I throw the extension back into it, click, click. I've already wound it. So that is tight. So apologies, you'll just see my arm as I tighten the other side. That is tight. So let's just tuck them out backwards. Let's go and grab an extinguisher. So this isn't the one that's going to go in. And unfortunately, it's not going to work for this demonstration either. Or is it because I put that on upside down? I put that on upside down. That is exactly what I've done. This whole video is a waste. Let's just go and grab a real fire extinguisher and check. That's got a different collar size. Okay, so it's actually fine on the real extinguisher we're putting in the car. Apart from the latching doesn't want to close. So in theory, that's how it's meant to go. There we go. So race day, you can just unpop the latching. And she's in, boys and girls. At some point we'll switch out because I don't want it to rub on those. And obviously, tuck the mat back again, out of the way. It is properly underneath the seat. so there's no worries. So yeah, there we go. Carpet we'll probably just leave sat up into it for now, just to cover it a little bit when it's parked up. And come track day, pull the passenger one out so it's accessible. If you're looking for TEGIWA fire extinguisher install, I hope that's helpful, or if you just follow the channel, let me know if you've got any comments. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe, share it out. We'll see you next